What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, long time no see. A lot of things have happened. I mean, a lot. Things have certainly changed in the past couple of weeks. One of which would be the Silverado. We actually finally got the chance to put the lift kit on it, get it where I wanted it. Of course, we ran into a lot of trouble along the way, and it's still not even done. Of course, this wonderful virus that has been bothering everybody so much has taken its effect on the build as well as the time frame to get the build done. Sorry we haven't really been posting. We haven't had the chance to. Just a lot of craziness going on, a lot of nuts people buying up stuff because they think it's the end of the world because, oh, there's a flu going around and it's killing off all the old folks. Stay inside. I might have to edit that out. But as you can see in this clip here,
I wanted to be in the video.
You're too late. Oh, I wasn't recording. It didn't record.
Haha! Now it's not too late.
Daniel, you're goofy head.
Hey, you want to keep your level, kid, or you just want to hope it don't fall off the trailer?
I was hoping it wouldn't fall off the trailer. Just throw it in the bed. Fuck it. We're loading up the truck and everything, getting it ready to go. It was actually in my carport right there, getting tore down and built. Odd enough, my landlord shows up and throws a complete fit because it was sitting on jack stands. Now, let me remind you, I purchased some really nice and really expensive jack stands just to build this truck. And they were rated for 6 tons a piece. And I don't know about you, but 5 6-ton jack stands underneath a half-ton pickup, just the math doesn't add up there. I don't think it's going to fall, but apparently I'm a bad father and this and that because my kid was outside, nowhere near the truck, but had to throw it back together, take it to work, and have finished the build. Of course, get problem after problem taken care of in the little bit of time I had versus doing it at home. It would have been a lot faster, moved a lot quicker. Instead, I had to work 12 hours a day, get off work, then work on this, trying to knock some stuff out, dealing with the powder coating issues, and just one thing after another. But without further ado, I actually would like to do a little walk around and show y'all what's been done so far. It's actually about to be taken back apart again, just so I can take all this stuff to powder coat. So it's not done. This is just where it stands at this point in time. I had to get it back together to get it off the lift and, you know, just have it out of the way till I could get the actual work done. But without further ado, here she is. Definitely a total different truck. It is a rough country lift. I plan on doing away with these blocks eventually and actually getting leaf springs. As you can see, we coated the frame. The bed, everything. I mean, this truck was completely tore down. It's got new wheel cylinders in the rear because it never really had good brakes. Of course, y'all know about the polished drive shaft. It's still polished and shiny, looking all wonderful. We did upgrade a lot of the front end components. As you can see, you got the new rough country control arms. Ignore this bracket here. We're going to completely do away with that. I'm going to get new bushings for that sway bar. Brand new complete upper and lowers with new ball joints, and then of course you see that new strut with coil in there. That's all brand new. Ignore the missing liners. They're getting something special done to them. It's slowly becoming a pretty good looking truck. A lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money, and it's still not even done yet. Funny story, it's actually broke right now at this point in time. I actually just parked it there. Also, I had to buy a new tail light because when we were loading my truck up, we busted Dustin's tail light in that video that you saw earlier, a little short clip. But just as an update, this is where we stand. I'm actually going to go ahead and reveal the powder coat color because it doesn't make a difference. It's going to be forever before it gets done anyway. I don't know if y'all have heard of it. It's not a really big color. I see it on a couple SEMA trucks and not really big color, but I think it looks good. It caught my eye and it really popped. Illusion Money Green is what the bottom of that truck's going to be. We're talking about rear diff, control arms, drop kit, everything. It's all going to be Illusion Money Green minus the calipers, a couple miscellaneous pieces like the upper control arms. The coils are going to be that color. Leaf springs, I'll have to tear them back apart again for the third time, unfortunately, but hey, it is what it is. I know what these, now I kind of got an idea of what these people that like build SEMA trucks feel, because this kind of been a process. Usually when I lift a truck, I throw it together. I don't do no painting, don't do anything special. I just put it together, put it up in there, and drive it. This one, it's received a lot more attention than any other truck I've ever done. It's going to be like my kind of showy truck. I'm not planning on off-roading this thing. If it does go off-road, it is what it is. But all this money that's going into it is for more or less me. I never really got the chance to have anything like super nice, so this would be my opportunity to do so. But if you enjoyed this little update video on the Silverado, there's more videos to come. I'm even going to do a how to install video once we have to take it apart again for the lift kit for the powder coating. Any questions, concerns as far as how to install or maybe even do a lift kit like this, of course you get instructions whenever you do it, but there's some things in there that they don't cover that I noticed. One thing that I do want to bring up, those rough country control arms are actually not supposed to work on my model truck with the 7.5. It's the top peak lift it's supposed to go on is a 7-inch, but if you look at here at these ball joint angles, that ball joint right there is actually almost flat, which is perfect. I don't know why they say this control arm doesn't work. As far as alignment goes, alignment was almost perfect when we put it together. Everything seemed kind of pegged out once it's all drooped, but it actually worked out really nice. But like I said, look at that, the thing is almost perfectly flat. Like I said, I don't know why they said it didn't work or it wouldn't work, but it works just fine. The truck drives freaking phenomenal. Excellent ride. I cannot complain at all with how this lift has turned out, or this build so far has turned out, as far as ride quality, durability. We're going to see how durable it is once we blow everything back apart, powder coat it, and start putting some miles on it. Like I said, it's not going to be off-roaded unless things just happen, and around here things can happen, so you may get a couple videos of this thing off in the mud. But thanks for watching. Be patient with us. We're going to be putting up more videos, whether it's just me or me and James, or even if Blaze gets involved again, because I do want to do an update video on the F-150. So hang tight. Of course, smash that like, subscribe. Have a wonderful day.